Do you know many people are having trouble with installing the ignition battery in their grills? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find a switch. First, locate the electronic ignition switch on your Char-Broil Performance 4633766519 barbecue. Step 2. Open the compartment. Next, unscrew the cap of the ignition switch to open the battery compartment. Step 3. Insert the battery. Insert the battery into the compartment with the positive end facing the cap. Step 4. Secure the cap. Then, screw the cap back onto the switch to secure it firmly. Step 5. Test the switch. Finally, test the ignition switch to ensure it works properly with the new battery. After following these steps, your ignition switch should work perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Char-Broil users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.